Number 1. 1953 Buick Super V8, $13,000, Berkeley, California. This 1953 Buick Super V8 is offered at $13,000 in Berkeley, California. Representing one of General Motors' stylish early 1950s full-size sedans. Sold by its second owner, it has reportedly been a dependable in-town daily driver and remains in good overall condition. Powered by a well-maintained V8 engine, it starts easily and runs strong. Most features are operational, and the odometer reads 92,310 miles, with about 4,000 miles added since 2005. The body is described as straight, with a custom paint job completed in 2010. With a clear title and solid mechanical condition, this Buick is a strong entry into early post-war American luxury. Number 2. 1968 Plymouth Fury 3 Commando 383, $18,500, Temecula, California. Priced at $18,500 in Temecula, California, this 1968 Plymouth Fury 3 Commando features a 383 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a TorqueFlite 727 automatic transmission. Finished in black with black California plates, it is equipped with power steering, power front disc brakes, and factory air conditioning. Recent updates include a new vinyl top, carburetor, brakes, seat upholstery, and tires. With 80,689 miles and a clean title, this Fury delivers classic late 1960s muscle with full-size comfort. Number 3. 1968 Chevrolet El Camino, $19,000, Garden Grove, California. This 1968 Chevrolet El Camino is listed at $19,000 in Garden Grove, California, blending muscle car performance with pickup practicality. Powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 engine and automatic transmission, it features front disc brakes and vintage air conditioning. The red base coat clear coat paint gives it strong visual appeal, and the odometer reads 20,627 miles. With recent updates and a clean title, it is well suited for shows or weekend cruising. Number 4. 1957 Cadillac Coupe Deville, $19,995, Thousand Oaks, California. Offered at $19,995 in Thousand Oaks, California, this 1957 Cadillac Coupe Deville showcases one of Cadillac's most dramatic fin-era designs. Finished in chrome turquoise Hexus wrap, the engine, electrical system, brakes, and transmission have been completely redone. With 80,000 miles and a clean title, this coupe combines refreshed mechanicals with bold custom style and strong show presence. Number 5. 1956 Oldsmobile Holiday 88, $18,000, Las Vegas, Nevada. This 1956 Oldsmobile Holiday 88 is offered at $18,000 in Las Vegas, Nevada, featuring sleek mid-1950s hardtop styling. Powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a turbo-hydromatic 400 automatic transmission, it includes power steering and newer fuel components. Owned by the same family for about 25 years, it runs well but will need tires and some suspension work. It carries a clean title and presents as a solid, usable classic. Number 6. 1952 Chevrolet Styleline Deluxe Coupe, $18,500, Elk Grove, California. Located in Elk Grove, California, this fully restored 1952 Chevrolet Styleline Deluxe Coupe is priced at $18,500. The Styleline represents classic early 1950s American design, and this example has been tastefully upgraded. Finished in Viper blue and white, it underwent a ground-up restoration in the early 2000s and has been carefully maintained and stored indoors since. Power comes from a freshly rebuilt 350 cubic inch Chevrolet V8 engine equipped with an Edelbrock Performer intake manifold, 4-barrel carburetor, and electronic ignition. It is backed by an automatic transmission and features power steering and power front disc brakes. Inside, it includes an Alpine stereo system with Bluetooth capability, auxiliary port, new speakers, subwoofers, and amplifiers. With 50,000 miles showing and a clean title, this Styleline blends classic looks with modern drivability and comfort. Number 7. 1958 Volkswagen Beetle Custom, $20,000, Santa Maria, California. This custom 1958 Volkswagen Beetle is listed at $20,000 in Santa Maria, California, showcasing the charm of the iconic 1958 design. Finished in silver with chrome-dipped bumpers, it features a 1,600 cubic centimeter engine and manual transmission. The odometer reads 75,170 miles, and it carries a clean title. With custom touches and classic rounded styling, it stands out as a unique vintage import. Number 8. 1948 Austin A40 Deville, $16,250, Bakersfield, California. Offered at $16,250 in Bakersfield, California, this 1948 Austin A40 Deville has been transformed into a custom street rod. Now powered by a Datsun L16 engine with an automatic transmission, it includes air ride suspension, power front disc brakes, custom paint, and a chopped top. With 1,000 miles since completion and a clean title, it is described as running great and ready for the road. Number 9. 1966 Ford Thunderbird Coupe, $19,660, Leander, Texas. This 1966 Ford Thunderbird Coupe is priced at $19,660 in Leander, Texas. The 1966 Thunderbird represents the final year of the fourth generation, known for its sharp styling and personal luxury appeal. Finished in red with a white vinyl roof, this example shows 24,864 miles on the odometer, which has rolled over. It remains unrestored and well-preserved, with even the original radio still functioning. The automatic transmission has been rebuilt, and the car has received new tires including the spare, replaced belts, engine service and tuning, air conditioning conversion to modern refrigerant, and new trunk vinyl. A clean title and included spare parts make this Thunderbird a strong candidate for collectors seeking originality and comfort. Number 10. 1952 Chrysler New Yorker 4-door sedan, $12,800, San Jose, California. Located in San Jose, California, this 1952 Chrysler New Yorker 4-door sedan is offered at $12,800. The New Yorker was Chrysler's top-tier model in the early 1950s, known for advanced engineering and smooth performance. Powered by an 8-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive, this sedan shows 94,433 miles, noted as not actual mileage. The vehicle identification number is C52812115, and it carries a clean California title. The seller states the car is fully operational and runs great. With its white exterior and excellent overall condition, this New Yorker offers classic early post-war luxury at an accessible price point.